topic we have learned?
Ma'am, about the
excretory
excretory system in humans.
Okay, that you have also have seen the video. You also understood the sweat also helping us to expel the
Yes,
some
ma'am.
of the things. Okay,
Yes.
so now we are moving on to some of the peculiar excretion system in some of the animals. Majority all animals, they are having the like us some kind of a proper system, but apart these three category, that is the first one what we are discussing about the uh, this is about how they excrete the things. Mainly we have two peculiar animal or species. They have different way of excretory system. So excretory system means animals not like us. See, we human being has a regular basis of food intake, correct? But birds and animals, whenever they feel hungry, they will have it, and afterwards they are not so much. But we human being is not like that. Clear? Everyone knows that. Clear? You do you how many meals we have in a day usually?
Ma'am, mainly three, and in the evening, like tea.
Yeah, and in between, how many times you go to kitchen after every online classes?
Ma'am, 2-3 times.
2-3 times. But did the birds and dogs will go 2-3 times for that?
Yeah, ma'am.
Did the tiger who killed the deer, once its stomach is full, will the tiger go and kill simply other deer?
No, ma'am.
So whenever they feel hungry, only they will attack animals, they will have the food. Other times they will do their own things. Clear? We human being is like that. Anytime. Even 3 times in a day, and even till 12 o'clock midnight also you can have the food. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, in between. No? Now in the online session, the intake of food is increased because every time you can see you have a impulse to go to kitchen because if your mother is there, mother must be cooking anything or some snacks will be kept in the cupboard. It's chances. Even grandfather, grandmother is then finished because they wanted to make you to eat and eat and eat. Okay, correct. Maybe mother may scold you, but grandfather and grandmother will not scold you because their love is through food. So they are old, they cannot show any love through anything. So they show through the love, through the food. Correct.
My grandmother cooks special food. She says, "When I die, you will remember that I cooked it for you."
Because grandmothers and grandfather may buy you some snacks and all like that. Grandmothers and grandfather, they are old age. They show their love more towards the through food. They will love you. Correct. Some of the mothers also like that. Yeah. That is why every time whenever we go to girls, we always say, "Oh, my mother cooks that fish curry, that chicken. How?" We always remember that. But even your father cooks also, you never say, "My father cooks that delicious food." Never we say. So that is our nature. So that's the difference between human being and the animals. So because of that, our excretory system is in danger because we are always filling it, just like a gas cylinder, every time going on filling it. So animals, they will have excretory system or its working depends on the availability of the water. That is how much water they intake or how much they drink or how much they do, that is their excretory system depends upon. But we human being, even we have the food, it's compulsory that we should have how many liters of water in a day?
Ma'am,
2
liters.
2 liters, at least 2 liters. Okay, but our function is that much complex. That's why these small birds may not have, birds and fishes, their system is not complex like us. So that's the difference between we and the human, we and the animals and the horse. So you can write this point: the waste chemicals removed from the body of the animal depends upon the availability of water. Okay, suppose if I have given this point in the printer note, I don't tell you to repeat again. Those who want, you can just write. Otherwise, you listen. No problem. So, we are having another things. Okay, Smriti, can you read the first type of category? How they expel the waste.
Aquatic animals like fish excrete cell waste as ammonia, which directly dissolves in water.
Okay, ammonia. Ammonia is a chemical compound. It's a production of nitrogen and hydrogen, NH4. That is a chemistry, ammonia. Ammonia we also can make artificially by mixing nitrogen and hydrogen, and mainly ammonia is used as a manure. It's a fertilizer. For our paddy field, for our thing, ammonia is a fertilizer. Similarly, why we are using the chicken waste and cow's waste, goat waste, and everything we are putting putting for the plants.
Ammonia.
It carry ammonia, and ammonia is something which is good for their growth. So it is a natural ammonia. The waste of the chicken, the buffaloes, even waste materials, goats, goats waste material, feces, cows feces, everything contain some amount of natural ammonia. So the compound which contains, similar in the fish also, I think you must have seen in the aquarium and all. Yes, you have fishes. There's a small dark black type of, like a very granules like is filled in the aquatic, and it will be falling at the depth of aquatic
Ma'am, but
animal.
I have also seen like in long in some
It's depend upon, because each fish is different, no? So goldfish and angelfish are not same. Guppy is another type, and their size also same. Sucker is another type. So sucker mainly we are using to eat this waste. Sucker is living on this, eating the waste of the other fish. Otherwise, what will happen? Your aquarium water will be dark in color, and it's so dirty, the smell will come. So that is why. So sucker we put in the aquarium in order to clean the water. Otherwise, every 1 week you have to go and clean the water. Clear?
sucker is like a janitor.
Yes. So ammonia is that natural waste produced by the fish, and this is also good manure. And this the say ammonia is present in all the animals' feces. Okay. Similarly, ammonia we also can make by using a chemical compound, nitrogen and hydrogen mixed together. Okay, fine. Yes. Steve, can you read the second point?
Yes, ma'am. Some land animals like bird, lizard, snake excrete a semi-solid white colored compound.
What is that?
Uric acid.
Uric acid. Yes. So you see the smell of the crow's waste, correct? Because maybe once in a while, maybe crow must have made a shit on you, no? While you are standing under the tree. And there is a famous bit of Jagadish, no?
Yes, ma'am.
One movie. We are not talking that, but sees that. Why the color of that the crow's waste?
Because of uric acid.
Uric acid, that smell
Ma'am,
also is there. And while it fall, it looks like water, little bit solid
My
and
bird.
water.
Yeah, ma'am, semi-solid.
And once it is dry, it is becoming a solid.
Solid,
These
ma'am,
are
yes,
majority birds, they excrete that way, semi-solid.
And my bird.
Lovebirds, parrots,
Mama,
finches,
then
pigeon, and you see that is by smell. So much smell in wherever we are having the cages. And
Yeah, ma'am.
so this is because of presence of uric acid, and this uric acid also present in our body, because uric acid also is a waste material which is produced due to digestion, especially the sugar patients. Sugar patients have more uric acid, then they will have a kidney problem. Their kidney may not work properly, and then if that issue came, we are coming to a medical process of treatment. That is what we call dialysis. So these are the two animals, two different creatures have a different type of excretory system or the content. In human being, which is the majority of the waste product. Last class we have learned what you call for the majority waste product. Urea. Yes, urea. Waste product urea plus water. That's our urine. Clear? Now, what is dialysis? Next thing, so we completed animals excretory system. Only these two peculiar features have different one.
Ma'am, the dialysis is something about
Dialysis is a medical treatment which is related to excretory system. If your excretory system is not functioning, excretory system to function, there should be proper digestive system. See, whenever we have the food, the way the filtering the blood, who does which part of the excretory system? Kidneys.
Kidney.
So, yeah, kidneys. Last class also I have told you, if kidney is not functioning, the waste materials from the blood cannot be purified by itself. Then the person who has this problem, he is the person we can call diabetic patient, or a patient who has high sugar. Clear? Why high sugar? The food, the nutrients are stored in the cell is in the form of glucose after assimilation. Correct? It will be stored in the cells. When you do the respiration, presence of oxygen, this glucose will be break down into form of energy. Correct? That is how you are getting. So the people, those who have low excretory system function or low kidney is not function purifying the work, then naturally what will happen? Today's waste will accumulated in the form of glucose in your body. Then tomorrow again that person is having the same type of food, the same level of time of food. So what will happen as day goes by, the glucose what we have stored daily, it is not completely broken down, and that person, we can say that high sugar content in the blood, and blood has been finding difficult to do the filtering process because of the presence of high level of sugar, high level of glucose. And once this blood is reaches to the kidney, what will happen? Kidney is finding difficult to filter it. And then slowly, first on the kidney will do the work. You know, every overload or overwork make us tired. Kidney also like that. If you are making some kidney to do the overload work or without any rest, naturally, slowly, kidney slows down. Just like a
Like
fan.
kidney failure.
That is what is prone to kidney failure. So kidney failure many times. Maybe the stones are in the kidneys. Sometimes there will be some swelling in the kidneys and you will get a severe abdominal pain. Then there will be pain on the urethra, urinary bladder.
Yes,
Because
ma'am. My father had kidney stones.
these all collected. That's what they are telling, to drink more water, because water will help to dilute this glucose more. Just like how you put the sugar in the tea and diluting.
And
the
that
same
pain
way.
came for me also.
Yeah, yes. And urinary infection is very common to everyone. And kidney stone also very common when you go to 40 years and all, because your system is slowing down. Correct? You are getting old age. So these people have to drink water due to high-tech life, and we don't have time to take care of our health. We take care of our children. Your parents will take care of you. So they don't take care of their body. That is how they are becoming sick, not having proper food, not having anything at the time. They always think about the children and they work overload. So these people prone to this type of problem. So now dialysis almost is the last stage for the diabetic patients, that diabetic patients cannot do the filtering process by themselves. Their kidney is completely gone. It cannot work. Okay. So those people, the medical ethics, what we do, they go for dialysis. How they do the dialysis? They will be either they make a opening on your this part, foot pipe, or they make a opening on your this part where there's a elbow and arms are connecting. And what they do, it's a 4 hours, 5 hours work. So they will remove the blood, the impure blood from your body artificially, and then they will purify with the help of medicine, and it will be injected back to your body. So that is not dialysis. So that is 4 hours, 5 hours work. Clear? And that is the last stage of a person with the diabetes, because diabetes, such as when kidney is not working, slowly, one of your organ slowly slow down. So that is why. So these people, not to come to this final stage, you have to, those people, those who really got diabetes, you have to do the exercise, some exercise to burn the glucose in your body, because your system is, kidney is not okay now. So in order to burn it, you have to expel some of the waste material through the sweat. So that's why some of the doctor, they say the sugar patients should do some exercise. Not apart from the they also do the exercise. Okay. So that is the dialysis.
My
Yes.
mom, actually, my mom's mother, she also had this kidney failure, and she used to do dialysis like regularly. And
How many times in a week she does?
ma'am, I don't remember it clearly because 2 years back.
2 years. Yeah.
No, ma'am, 2 years back she passed away, so I don't remember that clearly.
But how many years she continued dialysis?
Ma'am, I think for 6 or 7 years. I don't.
Yes. Yes, it's truth. See, have you heard, children? Even Smriti is telling, now my mother at present in this condition. I am doing dialysis for my mother thrice in a day, thrice in a week. So today she has a dialysis in the night, midnight, because there are a lot of people now in the medical shop, because Keralites have got maximum diabetic patients. Do you know that? Because of our food style. Okay. We are so much attached to parota and this, parota and all, it doesn't have any fiber. Actually, it is from maida, no? So this maida has no fiber. So you have learned, no, in 6th standard, there's a chapter,
And my
components
father
of food.
said, do not wrap maida.
Ma'am, we skip that chapter.
Yes. And you have noodles, bread, all the snacks, what you have, samosas and all that. Okay. That's why the doctor has said this is the condition, because you have learned in 6th standard components of food. In that we have learned that for digestion, we require dietary fiber and the water. Do you remember that?
Yes, ma'am.
I think I only taught, no, that time? No, 6th standard, did I teach you? Maybe
Yes,
one or
ma'am.
two.
Ma'am, yes, you only.
You.
So this dietary fiber actually not present in maida. So while you are intake lot of fiber, maida will take time to digest in your body. Naturally, it will affect your kidney and it will affect your excretory system. And I can say that in Keralites are very much fond of this parotas. In UP, and they never heard of parotas. There they will have chapati every now and then. So chapati has a lot of dietary fiber. And also you will not put on the weight because of that dietary fiber. So when you drink the water and you have the dietary fiber enough, naturally kidney will have the less work to purify the blood. Yes. Why? You don't want to see your friends? Okay. Maria, I don't want to see your friends. Fine. So that's the condition. So some person cannot survive unless their blood is filtered periodically through an artificial kidney due to infection or injury. This process is called dialysis.
Excuse me, ma'am, can we write this?
Yeah, please write. Please write. So I think I have spoken more about dialysis. So sugar is an incident. So you also please take care now only. Okay. So it is something slow poison. Sugar. Slow poison, we can say. Okay. You have the textbook with you? Can you just give me? Yes.
Mom, we have this dialysis in page number 127.
Dialysis in page number 127, correct. That is, they have given in separate box, no? Yeah.
Ma'am, separate means after
Yeah.
a box
Yes.
in just down below excretion.
Yes, yes.
And
So children, when during the exam time also you have to read this, which is in the blue box, okay? Some of that practical knowledge they are trying to give you. That's why.
Mama, same which you given the slide itself.
Yeah, that I took it from the slide, because instead of giving a lot of knowledge, I'm just stick to your textbook.
Mom, I think that is why the dialysis is having only half
Yes,
the
yes.
slide and full.
Because only you understand what is dialysis. That's important. No need of learning much, but I already explained to you what is the condition for this.
Yes,
So a person who does dialysis, He cannot have his own excretory system functioning properly. That's kidney. And you can live on with this dialysis for many years. As Smriti already shared, 6 years, her grandmother was undergoing dialysis. Like my mother started by last month onwards. So her life is also in dialysis. So there will be a time come, the patients cannot take more dialysis. There is a time come, the patients cannot undergo dialysis, and there is no way for the person. We have to submissive to God's will. That means you cannot save your mother or anyone. That's it. Yeah, because they have to, so once they do the dialysis, then next day they can have the food properly. Then one day after, next day again for dialysis to purify what they eat in the last day. Have you completed all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I think in the notes, did I mention dialysis? I don't think, because
Ma'am,
I don't think.
yeah, I don't think, because this is a like extra knowledge.
Ma'am, but you say that to draw the excretory system.
Yes. Can I change now? I think we
Yes.
have only few minutes
Yes.
left.
Yes.
So I think we can continue this lesson next class. But apart from this, we have 2 more. So that means tomorrow, no need of a seminar. Okay, Ayan? So now how much time? 3 more minutes. I think that's enough. So I am not going to the new topic now. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Pulsing, pulse rate and pulse you can learn from the textbook. Okay. No, you wanted to check it. Okay, fine. Okay, children, thank